Alright, so either my alternator is failing and not charging the battery, or the fusible link in my exciter wire has failed. So we're going to test it. My multimeter is shot, so I'm going to use my jumper cables that's got a multimeter. So just to show you the health of my battery, I have the power cable hooked up to the battery here. You go over here, I got 10.5 volts on my battery. So whatever the battery voltage is, I should see the same thing from these two pins right here, or one of them at least. I believe it's the yellow, that's the exciter wire. So I know I have 10.5 volts on the battery, so I take off the power cable from the battery terminal. On the other end of the power cable, I have a wire. And what I do is I take this end, this cut, and I touch the terminals. Yellow gives me 3.5, and red isn't going to give me anything. Yeah, see, we don't get anything off of the red. So it's just the yellow. Even with the yellow, we only see 3.3 now, or 3.5. So I'm supposed to see 10 volts 10.5 volts at that yellow wire with the ignition on, and we're not seeing that.